I chose to look at California, how drought is a major threat. There are many factors that are working against California when it comes to climate change. California has suffered droughts as far back as the 1890s, but looking at more recent times, since 2013, California has been experiencing meteorological, agricultural, and hydrologic droughts that have been attributed to humans. Atmospheric rivers, which for California move over the Pacific Ocean to the coast, attribute 20 to 50% of California's annual rainfall. These help with snowpack and access to water from the subsequent snowmelt. With warmer winters occurring, groundwater is being lost to the Pacific Ocean. Currently, there are 15,317,000 residents in drought, which is 41% of California's population. These types of conditions can have major impacts on communities. California may never really be out of a drought, but when things were as bad as they were in 2014, a statewide proclamation of emergency was put in place. Calls for limiting water use by 20% were made, and this could be a very real future for California once again. In 2016, the state reported that 62 million trees had died, which was related to the droughts and was a 100% increase from the 2015 mortality rate from trees. The future is looking to continue with these trends unless human-induced climate change can be severely limited.